Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a quick tour of the greenhouse. You can see the new roof's on. Pretty dark here. Let's try this new camera, shall we? As you can see, I've got a 600 watt light on here just for the heat. That's not on every night. Sorry about the flashing. And then as we come in, as you can see, everything's looking well. Take the glasses off. There they are. In there, if you can see them, I've got some, to turn the light around, I've got some echinacea, some white and purple ones, also begonia in there, also a heat mat. Up here, get the light on it, I have some agapanthus seeds that I'm just ripening up. Hopefully they'll be alright. When they're dry, I'll be sowing them and showing you how to do that. But here, just have a quick look around. Agapanthus, there I've got some geraniums, perennial variety. Behind there is my pelargoniums. Let's have a quick look round. These are the plants I took out of the hanging baskets yesterday. Petunias, pelargoniums, some pinks and carnations. Not even still flowering, then he prune it back. And then here we have, that's what I'm really in here for tonight. I moved everything else, realise, look at that, and you see the dust coming off that. Oh, that's powdery mildew. That's how it spreads. So what I've done is, I've mixed up, it says 4mm, this fungus factory here, Bayer Garden. It says on the back here, this is what I always use. I think you get about 31 litres out of this, so this is a lot cheaper way of buying it, but if you buy it already mixed. See there, ornamentals, 4ml per litre. Well, this I've got here, just half a litre. So I'll just put 2ml in there. I'll be spraying, excuse the glass, that's when I redid the roof. I should be spraying all these. So spraying those I took out the hanging baskets. And I should also be spraying these. I've got some, these are my two grow lights, LEDs. I'll be spraying all the plants under here. I've got pelargoniums there. I've also got some echinacea at the back that needs spraying. And these petunias that I've taken from cuttings. And these pelargoniums here, these don't need spraying this time, but yeah, everything else needs a good spray. So I'll get cracking, get the light back, if I can find it. So yeah, all you need to do with this, right, I always mark it, fungus fighter, danger, you don't want anybody else get their hands on it. So yeah, all you do is just give it a good spray, and then once I've sprayed I go straight out of the greenhouse. I don't want to breathing in these fumes, this spray. Because when it's damp like this, before I get a wood burning stove in, I'm going to have this problem just with the moisture. Yeah, that's well soaked now, that'll kill anything. And when that's dried, I'll remove all these dead leaves. I'll spray these petunias that I took out the hanging baskets, and also this pelargonium here that I took out the hanging baskets. These petunias, it'll get a good spray just to stop them rotting, and these ones in the corner here. Nearly done. This one here, that'll cover them. Right, all we need to do now is give these a spray here. It's just done at the back that I'm really interested in, because they do rot so easily. And there's one in the corner, I don't know if I can save it, it's just on the back there. You see that one there? That's really rotted, so if I can get some spray on that, see if I can save it, we'll have a look. Well, as you can see, it's a floating vinyl, so everything will get a good soak in. And then once I've done that, go out the greenhouse, leave it until tomorrow, and then come back in. Yep. these last few. These are ones that I still haven't taken cuttings off yet. I'm looking forward to taking some cuttings off these. These are the dwarf ones, but they should look really nice next year. Nearly done. Our best just doing this. Wow. If you've got any questions about how to spray stuff, how to treat for powdery mildew, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.